Hey guys, today I have here this multifunctional charging stand for many types of devices. You can use Samsung mobile phones, Apple mobile phones, different kinds of mobile phones with this charging stand, which is really nice. It's equipped with a 30 watts charging plug, which is powerful enough to charge different devices at the same time. Right now I have my phone here. I'm just gonna lay it right there. So as you can see, as I just laid it, it starts charging. And I also have this Samsung Galaxy Watch, which I am gonna put here. And it starts charging right there. Take it off. And okay, so it starts charging automatically, which is really nice. Just can leave them both like that, and they are charging. The mobile phones can charge vertically like this, or also horizontal like this. Maybe if you want to watch like a movie while you're charging your phone, you can obviously do it. So it's really practical, but very convenient. It has also a USB port here, USB type A, so you can also charge something else, and another exit of type C, so you can also charge a device with a type C. And I don't have any earbuds, but you can also charge your earbuds in this space in the back. So you just lay it down there and charge. Just like that. It's very convenient, very easy to use. You just plug it in and it starts charging automatically. So I will really recommend it.